Hi boys and girls, it's Mr. Hill here with the weekly writing lesson. So in the last link, you can see the pictures of these pages that I'm about to write on, and it would help if you went ahead and wrote everything out first and then followed along. So if you do need to go back and do that right now, you can pause this video and go back to the picture and write everything out before we get started. All right, so we've been working on nouns for the last 2 weeks. So now we're going to work on common nouns and proper nouns. Now, there's one distinct difference between the two. The distinct difference is a common noun has a lowercase letter. A proper noun begins with a capital letter. So let's look at some common nouns. So common nouns: girl, boy, sports team, month, school, town. Now, these are common because they are common words. Now, let's look at some examples of proper nouns, which I'll go ahead and write on this side. So you see here, people, girl, or boy. Those are people, common words. Now let's add a proper name to it. So a girl, proper noun for girl would be Bailey. Bailey is a girl's name, so that is a proper noun. Now let's go back to boy. Boy is the common noun. The proper noun, I'll go ahead and use someone from our class as well. LaRon would be the proper noun because it is the name of a boy. Now, sports team is a thing. So now to make it proper, sports team, for example, the Dallas Cowboys. The Dallas Cowboys is the name of a team. Therefore, that is the proper noun. Or month is the common noun. The proper noun would be, let's just use August. That's the proper noun because it is the name of a month. Now let's go to school. School is what? A common noun. Proper noun, let's use the name of our excellent school, Graham Elementary. Graham Elementary is the name of a school. Or a town, which really, let me change this here. I'm going to change this to city, just so that you know what we live in, because we don't live in a town. We live in a city. City. The name of a city would be Austin, Texas. Or just Austin. We'll just put Austin. So, as you see, a common noun is just a common word. Proper nouns are usually the names of people, places, and things. Because remember, a noun is a person, place, or thing. So now a proper noun is the name of a person, place, or thing. So now let's take it up a notch and let's go to the first sentence here. I'll go ahead and zoom out. All right. So number 1, let's go ahead and read it all together. We don't have school on Labor Day, Thanksgiving, or New Year's Day. Now, let's find the proper nouns. So here I'll go ahead and write proper nouns. So the proper nouns would be Labor Day because it's the name of a holiday, and a holiday is a thing. Thanksgiving, New Year's Day. They are the names of holidays, and a holiday is a thing, so therefore they are proper nouns. Now, let's look at number 2. My brother's favorite teams are the Dallas Cowboys and the Indianapolis Colts. So, I see the name of a sports team. Dallas Cowboys is a proper noun. Indianapolis Colts is also a proper noun. Now let's go to number 3. Her favorite places to visit are Smith Park, Green Park, and Grant Zoo. Let's see. Smith Park is the name of the place, or a place. So is Green Park, and so is Grant Zoo. So these are your proper nouns right here. Now the last one for proper nouns. We saw Uncle Tim, Aunt Joan, and Ellen outside of Franklin Zoo. Let's see. Uncle Tim, that is the name of a person, right? So we underline Uncle Tim. Aunt Joan, also the name of a person. Ellen is also the name of a person. And Franklin Zoo is the name of a place. So as you see, proper nouns are basically the names of people, places, and things. So now let's go on for a little bit of extra practice to our next page. So in this one, I have the nouns underlined. And again, remember, a noun is a person, place, or a thing. So let's look at number 1. The girls stopped at the curb. Okay, so I have girls underlined, curb underlined. Let's see. I can think about this the easy way, which is girls begins with the lowercase letter, so it's common. Curb also begins with a lowercase letter, so it's common. So right here, I'm going to write C and C. And the C stands for common. Now, number 2. Maria looked both ways. Let's see here. Maria begins with a capital letter, so think about it. Is it common or is it proper? It is proper. Ways is lowercase, so it is common. Now for number 3. The children waited for the bus in front of Reich's department store. Let's see. The children is lowercase, so it is a common noun. Same for bus, also common noun. Now, Reich's department store is in all capital letters, therefore it is a proper noun. Now, number 4. Use your eyes and ears to look for cars. So, eyes is definitely common. Ears is also common. Cars is also common. Now the last one. We taught our dog Mandy to sit at the curb. Let's see. Dog is a common noun. Now Mandy, the dog's name is Mandy, so this would be a proper noun. To sit at the curb, which is also a common noun. I know it's hard to tell if it's capital or lowercase the way I wrote it, but it is lowercase and it is a common noun because a curb is just a common thing. Now, this concludes our lesson for common and proper nouns. Remember, if you need to see this an extra time or two, you can always replay the video at any time. And also, like I said before, if you have any questions or need help with anything that was covered in this lesson, you can always let your parents know to get a hold of me. I'm always here to help you. Until next week, thank you.